Best deals.
1. Casserole. With the ability to withstand high heat and retain it effectively, this pan makes cooking a breeze. Its rugged build allows the use of metal ladles without a worry. Pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, it won't rust with regular care, ensuring its longevity. The extra thick 5 mm base ensures that your food won't burn or stick, promising generations of faithful service and consistently delicious, healthy meals. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Whisk. Twist is ideal for mixing sauces in low pans or for making gravy in roasting trays. Its silicone-coated steel wires are suitable for non-stick cookware and are ideal for scraping and combining ingredients together, preventing them from burning on the bottom of a pan. With a simple turn of the handle, twist also becomes a highly effective balloon whisk, allowing egg whites to be whipped into ideal peaks. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Griller. Is designed for efficient use on a brinjal roaster for gas burner, ensuring perfectly cooked fulkas every time, making it an essential addition to your culinary tools for authentic Indian cooking. Crafted for durability, this grill for gas stove offers a long-lasting solution for everyday cooking needs. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Egg boiler. Made with stainless steel base, this egg cooker is safe and easy to clean, store and operate. Great for any home, camper, RV or dorm room. Cook up to 7 eggs. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Tawa. Boasts a natural non-stick surface, promoting healthy cooking while delivering irresistibly crispy and delicious results with every dish. Capable of withstanding high heat, the pan excels at retaining and distributing heat evenly. Rough and tough by design. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Lunch box. Double-layered insulation with smart design, keeps your meals hot or cold for hours. Includes a foldable stainless steel spoon, a sleek twist lock lid, and a compact side container for pickle or dips. Enjoy warm, home-cooked meals anytime with superior insulation that locks in heat for hours. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Paneer press. Is designed to help you create perfect homemade paneer every time. It is crafted with efficiency and convenience in mind. It features an efficient paneer pressing mechanism that ensures your paneer maintains a consistent texture and firmness, offering you restaurant-quality results in the comfort of your home. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Glass bottle. Are made from high-clarity glass that allows easy visibility of contents, helping you identify liquids at a glance. The smooth surface supports simple cleaning and reuse, making them suitable for regular kitchen, dining. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Cloth. With its multi-purpose design, this wire dishwashing rag is perfect for both wet and dry cleaning tasks, making it ideal for kitchen sinks, pots, pans, and more. The innovative wire construction allows for quick and easy rinsing, ensuring thorough cleaning without leaving behind any residue or buildup. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Coffee maker. Brews coffee with a strong, robust flavor that's perfect for those who prefer their coffee with a kick. The filter coffee maker can also be used as a decoction maker, allowing you to make a rich and flavorful decoction that can be used in a variety of coffee-based drinks. Made from high-quality materials, this filter coffee maker is built to last and it has handle as well. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Cleaner. Has designed powerful, easy-to-use products that clean your entire home from floor to ceiling, and even the very air you breathe. Continues to innovate with connected appliances that enhance daily life. Integrating cutting-edge technology, its products combine modern convenience with the brand's legacy of reliability and performance, conveniently removes spills, stains and unhygienic messes from different surfaces and areas around your home and car with powerful extraction. Ideal for households with pets, you can keep unhygienic accidents separate from everyday cleaning with the dedicated messy cleanup tool. Clean tight or awkward spaces with the crevice tool, or reverse spills and mess faster with the new extra wide 2-in-1 wash tool. The cleaning tool is just over 30 centimeters tall and is designed to fit neatly in a cupboard, perfect for homes with limited storage. Your household carpets may contain bacteria, fungi, dust mites and allergens. The bacteria and fungi can be harmful to you and your pets. Effectively tackles spills, pet messes, mud, food stains, and everyday accidents with professional level cleaning results. Powerful extraction removes excess moisture, helping surfaces dry faster and preventing lingering odors. Simple setup, intuitive controls, and removable tanks make filling, emptying, and cleaning hassle-free. Deep cleaning performance for real-life messes, from muddy paw prints and food spills to pet accidents and stubborn stains. This cleaner takes on the toughest messes and leaves your home fresh and spotless. Lightweight and ready-to-go, designed for quick cleanups and hard-to-reach spots, this portable powerhouse comes with a long hose that makes cleaning stairs, upholstery, and car interiors a breeze. Safe for pets, tough on stains. Use with our specially formulated solution that's free from harsh chemicals, so it's safe for your furry friends while being tough on stains and odors. This cleaner is lightweight and easy to carry, yet powerful enough to remove tough stains, dirt, and spills from carpets, stairs, upholstery, and more. Deep cleaning with strong suction. Say goodbye to embedded dirt. A high-performance suction and targeted spray action work together to lift out even the most stubborn stains, fast and effectively. Dual tank technology for a fresh finish. Stay clean and hygienic with our dual tank system that separates clean and dirty water, so you are always cleaning with a fresh solution. Each tool is engineered for specific spots and stains, so choose the one that best fits your mess. Lightweight and compact design allows for storage in small spaces and easy transportation from one stain to the next. Cleaner uses UVC light to sterilize bacteria and microorganisms, ensuring a hygienic clean for beds, sofas, and other fabrics. Cleaner features a tangle-free brush roll that minimizes hair wrap around the brush, saving your time and effort. This technology ensures that the brush continues to clean efficiently without interruptions, making it perfect for homes with pets or long hair. It's safe and effective on a variety of floor types including carpets, leaving your home spotless with just a click of a button. Whether it's dirt on your hard floors or on your carpets, this vacuum does it all. Two-tank technology ensures that the clean water and cleaning formula stays separate from dirty water and debris. This dual tank system provides you with the peace of mind that you are always cleaning with fresh water, preventing the transfer of dirt and bacteria back onto your surfaces. The separate tanks make filling, emptying and cleaning your vacuum quick and easy. Self-cleaning cycle, your vacuum stays in top condition. After each use, the Crosswave hydrogen automatically cleans itself, ensuring optimal performance and preventing any buildup of dirt or debris in the hose or in the brush roll. This feature helps maintain peak suction and cleaning power, so your vacuum lasts longer and works more efficiently. Product link is given in the 11th link.